Your next car could be the 2013 Ford F-350. With less than 80,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Extreme jobs call for extreme capabilities, and that's what this solidly built F-350 delivers. Designed to optimize strength, maneuverability, and passenger comfort, this well-equipped heavy-duty pickup makes the hard work feel easy. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: backup camera, fog lamps, power passenger seat, satellite radio, premium sound system, Bluetooth connection, power driver seat, multi-zone AC, aluminum wheels, electronic stability control. Feel a new sense of confidence when you're at the wheel of this powerful F-350. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.